Have you ever wondered which sedans are the most dependable, even after countless years on the road, and can effortlessly cruise past 200,000 miles and beyond? Today we're exploring 12 of the most reliable sedans ever made. We'll dig into engine specs, luxurious features, and why they stand out in reliability. Stick around to find out which car might be the perfect hassle-free companion for your daily drives. Known for its longevity, the 2021 Toyota Camry regularly clocks over 250,000 miles, with various sources like Copilot affirming its outstanding durability. Its hybrid system combines a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor to produce 232 horsepower, promoting both efficiency and endurance. Inside, the technology-forward dashboard contains a touchscreen infotainment setup with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The spacious, comfortable design includes soft-touch materials and available leather seating, ensuring comfort through every mile. Toyota's well-earned reputation for quality results in low ownership costs and high resale values. On-road performance remains smooth and consistent, making it ideal for long-term ownership. The annual maintenance cost for the Toyota Camry is approximately $388, reflecting its economical nature in upkeep. It holds a reliability rating of 4.5 out of 5 from J.D. Power, reaffirming its place as a top choice among sedans. Craving another sedan celebrated for its passenger space and efficiency? Let's explore a model known for its roomy design and exceptional mileage performance. The 2020 Honda Accord is renowned for reaching beyond 200,000 miles, as supported by forums like Drive Accord. It houses a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivering 192 horsepower. Its interior prioritizes ergonomic comfort and practical design, highlighted by a well-organized console and dual-zone climate control. Exterior features showcase aerodynamic lines and an optional sunroof. Honda's long-standing commitment to durability reinforces the Accord's reliable standing. Its on-road performance blends swift acceleration with a stable ride, covering many miles efficiently. With an annual maintenance cost of approximately $400, the Accord remains a cost-effective choice for long-term drivers. It boasts a reliability rating of 4.5 out of 5 from U.S. News and World Report, cementing its status as a favorite among consumers for its dependable nature. Interested in a luxury sedan promising high reliability and sturdy performance? Well, let's take a closer look at what this next car has to offer. The 2021 Lexus ES combines luxury and durability, regularly surpassing 200,000 miles, a fact supported by luxury car analysis like Quora. The V6 engine, producing 302 horsepower, is designed for both performance and reliability. The cabin is plush with high-quality materials and modern multimedia systems. Lexus's dedication to refined engineering ensures this model delivers superior comfort and longevity. On-road, the ES offers smooth acceleration, coupled with a remarkably quiet cabin, underscoring its standing as a long-lasting luxury sedan. The Lexus ES has an annual maintenance cost of around $510, reflecting its premium build and features. It earns a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5 from RepairPal, showcasing its consistent performance and trusted durability among luxury sedans. Ready to plunge into rugged capability paired with undeniable comfort over extensive years? Well, let's review a model favored for its sturdy design and extended lifespan. The 2022 Subaru Legacy is known for covering over 200,000 miles and maintaining functionality, according to insights from Subaru Outback forums. Its standard 182 horsepower 2.5-liter horizontally opposed boxer engine, combined with a turbocharged variant, ensures adaptable performance. Inside the Starlink multimedia system and spacious seating, you see through long drives with ease. Its exterior dimensions signal toughness, and coupled with Subaru's all-wheel drive systems, the Legacy is a reliable, everyday performer. On-road, it provides stable torque distribution, making it a go-to choice for endurance on various terrains. The annual maintenance cost for the Subaru Legacy is approximately $470, making it a sensible option for budget-conscious drivers. It holds a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5 from Kelley Blue Book, supported by positive user feedback that highlights its sturdy build and reliability. Curious about a sedan delivering nimble driving and robust durability for over a decade? Well, let's focus on a model championing these features. The 2021 Mazda 6 routinely achieves around 200,000 miles according to many owner discussions, and reviews on platforms like Mazda 6 forums. Equipped with a 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine producing 187 horsepower, it epitomizes vibrant power delivery. The interior's high-quality materials and advanced infotainment resonate with drivers seeking perennial elegance. Mazda's engineering excellence pledges enduring reliability in this model, ensuring spirited handling over thousands of miles. The Mazda 6 carries an annual maintenance cost of about $477, reflecting a balance of style and economic upkeep. It receives a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5 from Car and Driver, appreciated for its sporty handling and stylish design. After appreciating Mazda's balance of style and durability, let's delve into a modern design model with impressive performance longevity. The 2021 Kia Optima, reborn as the K5, is lauded for surpassing 200,000 miles, as highlighted by user discussions on Reddit and various automotive review sites. It offers two dynamic engines, a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine producing 180 horsepower and a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with 290 horsepower. Inside, modern technology amenities like a panoramic sunroof and a touchscreen infotainment system promises comfort for the long drive. Kia's enhanced reliability, supported by extended warranty programs, ensures lasting quality. The K5 maintains sufficient performance ideal for enduring high-mileage journeys. With an annual maintenance cost estimated $471, the Kia K5 offers both modern features and dependable longevity. Its reliability rating standards at 4.0 out of 5 from US News and World Report, reflecting its strong build and customer satisfaction. Seeking another solid contender for high mileage and rugged reliability, this next sedan might just fit the bill. The 2020 Hyundai Sonata is praised for exceeding 200,000 miles, according to reviews and discussions on platforms such as Quora and consumer review sites. Engine choices span up to 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine for 192 horsepower and a 1.6-liter turbo engine for added variation, each clarifying dependable performance. Within, an innovative digital cluster and refined seating combine to offer optimal function and comfort, mirroring its strong technical backbone. Hyundai's commitment to long-term quality is underscored by dependable construction and warranty support, making the Sonata an evident choice for lasting comfort. The annual maintenance cost for the Hyundai Sonata is approximately $458, making it an economical option for sustained use. It receives a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5 from Consumer Reports, commending its dependable performance and user-friendly features. Fascinated by dependable domestic performance with an enduring presence? Well, next check out a sedan that encapsulates these qualities. The 2019 Ford Fusion exemplifies reliability, able to exceed 200,000 miles as affirmed by knowledge shared on Reddit and Ford Fusion-related forums. Historically, it offered a variety of engine options, including hybrids. Its interior harmonizes practical design with user-friendly technology, promising function and comfort. Ford's consistent engineering practices ensures this model delivers reliable performance and minimal disruptions. On the road, the Fusion showcases controlled acceleration and predictable handling, excelling over long stretches. With an estimated annual maintenance cost of $583, the Ford Fusion presents a modest investment given its durability and features. Rated at 4.0 out of 5 by J.D. Power, it stands out for its consistency and reliability in handling day-to-day demands. Enthused by the Fusion's promise, well, your next option excels across long miles and terrains, perfect for long-term performance seekers. The 2021 Chevrolet Malibu supports drivers aiming well past 200,000 miles with its potential confirmed by insights from enthusiast sites like Chevy Malibu Forum and Consumer Reports. Its efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged engine consistently balances performance and fuel optimization. Inside, intuitive infotainment pairings and smart design streamline extended drives comfortably. Chevrolet's sustainable design expertise facilitates a low-maintenance and durable ownership experience affirmed by quality engineering. On-road, it presents moderated acceleration with balanced handling, suitable for lengthy journeys. The Chevrolet Malibu incurs an annual maintenance cost of around $532, attributed to its durable design and reliability. It has earned a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5 on Edmunds, backed by consistent performance and owner satisfaction. Are you an admirer of pragmatic performance? Well, let's explore a European delight for precise engineering and extensive service. The 2020 Volkswagen Passat, emblematic of German precision, supports over 200,000 miles according to insights from automotive reports and reviews on platforms like Copilot. Designed with turbocharged engines and automatic transmission, its performance reflects detailed work and focus. Inside, coordinated seating and digital sophistication promote commuter efficiency, while modern exteriors echo refined simplicity. Volkswagen maintains notable engineering commitments, resulting in a reliable and comprehensive driving experience. The Passat achieves smooth transit with palpable power management, suitable for extended usage. With an annual maintenance cost of approximately $556, it balances European refinement with economic maintenance. It is rated 4.0 out of 5 by U.S. News & World Report, noted for its reliability and functional design. Interested in a car combining simplicity with generous lifespan adaptability? Well, let's examine this popular sedan crafted for practical dependability. The 2021 Nissan Altima carves a reputation for maintaining over 200,000 miles, according to extensive user reviews and forum discussions. Boosted by a 2.5-liter engine, its on-road behavior prioritizes comfort. Within, the thoughtfully designed infotainment resources favor optimal travel ease over myriad trips. Nissan's storage engineering ensures reliability across extensive use, resulting in positive reviews praising its practical mileage. Smooth acceleration and comfortable suspension underscore the Altima's dependable driving character. The Nissan Altima's annual maintenance cost is around $483, emphasizing economical upkeep. It achieves a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5 from RepairPal, accessible for its lasting performance and owner contentment. Are you in the market for a car with enduring features made to handle extensive journeys with ease? Well, check out our final reliable luxury contender. The 2021 Acura TLX, with variable valve timing and lift electronic control VTEC engines, up to 272 horsepower, embodies luxury and a reliable mileage life cycle exceeding 200,000 miles, performs like the Acura TLX Forum. High-end interior elements combined with a sporty design inspire confidence on roads across extended timelines. Acura's use of Honda's esteemed engineering ensures this premium selection provides drivers with high efficiency alongside matching comfort across long durations. The Acura TLX incurs an annual maintenance cost of about $440, reasonable for a luxury vehicle of its class. It receives a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5 from Edmunds, recognized for its refined road handling and enduring design. Up next is a video that we think you'll thoroughly enjoy. Click on it, and I'll see you on our next video.